Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Cloudflare for website security step by step clearly. Visit the Cloudflare website at www.cloudflare.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and input it in the designated area. Confirm that you've accepted Cloudflare's terms of service by checking the box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email from Cloudflare. Open your email inbox and find the email from Cloudflare. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Log into your Cloudflare account using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to add a website. Enter your website URL in the designated field and click Add Site. Select a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free tier. Review the features included in your chosen plan and click Confirm Plan. Next, you will be prompted to update your DNS records. Cloudflare will scan your current DNS records automatically. Review the DNS records and ensure they match your existing settings. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. Once satisfied, click Continue to move to the next step. Cloudflare will provide you with name server information. Log into your domain registrar account where your domain is registered. Locate the DNS settings or name server settings for your domain. Replace your existing name servers with the name servers provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes in your domain registrar account. Return to Cloudflare and click Continue to confirm changes. Wait for the DNS changes to propagate, which may take up to 24 hours. Once your site is active, explore the Cloudflare dashboard for additional security features. Configure any desired settings such as SSL, firewall rules, and performance optimizations. Monitor your website's security status through the Cloudflare dashboard. Utilize the analytics provided by Cloudflare to track your website's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.